Learn about AI data bias by Xorbix Technologies. The data used to train AI models can contain biases, which may lead to unfair or unethical outcomes. Careful consideration and processing of data are required to identify and mitigate these biases. In this video we will talk about the types of data bias and ways to mitigate the bias. Types of bias are historical bias, sampling bias, label bias, and measurement bias. Historical bias. Consider an AI model that is trained on historical hiring data from a company that has never hired women for certain roles. This AI might incorrectly learn that gender is a predictor of job performance and continue to perpetuate this bias. Sampling bias. Consider a facial recognition system trained primarily on datasets consisting of lighter-skinned individuals. Such a system will likely perform poorly when trying to recognize individuals with darker skin tones, leading to discriminatory performance. Label bias. If the data labeling process is subjective, for instance, in sentiment analysis of social media posts, the biases of the human labelers can seep into the data. For example, if labelers consistently misinterpret the tone of posts from certain demographics, the AI model will replicate this error. Measurement bias. If there's a systematic error in the way data is collected, such as using a health monitoring device that is less accurate for certain demographic groups, the model's outputs will be inherently biased against those groups. You can mitigate bias with the following techniques: diverse data collection, bias detection algorithms, fairness metrics, and ethical review boards. Diverse data collection. Ensuring the data reflects the diversity of the population the model will serve can reduce the risk of biases related to underrepresentation. Bias detection algorithms. Employing algorithms designed to detect and correct biases can help identify potential issues early in the model development process. Fairness metrics. Applying fairness metrics to assess model outcomes across different groups can highlight disparities that might not be evident at first glance. Ethical review boards. Some organizations establish review boards to oversee the ethical implications of their AI systems, providing an additional check against biased outcomes. In conclusion, addressing bias in AI is essential not only for ethical reasons but also for the practical effectiveness and trustworthiness of AI systems in real-world applications. It's an ongoing process that requires vigilance at all stages of model development and deployment. The quality, diversity, and amount of data, along with ethical considerations in its use, are pivotal in determining the success and applicability of AI and ML models in solving real-world problems.